Welcome to Genius Mail. So today we will see that what it's Genius Mail and what its functionality, how we can use it, and how it can help in our daily life, like in our business purpose also. So what basically Genius Mail is? It's see here. It's a powerful mass email and mail merging system for Gmail only. Okay, so what it is basically, you can send like multiple bulk mail at a time. You can track your mail. You can create your campaign. Okay, over here you can track your mail also. Okay, so these all are functionalities. So let's check how we can use it. So once you download from it from the like Chrome store, it will redirect automatically to Gmail. See, if it's automatically redirect to me a Gmail, to me Gmail. So uh, I think I have already used it for this mail, so that's why I am showing you guys from this email, which I haven't logged in, so that you can like guys understand uh, how we can log in first in our extension and how we like uh, give our permissions to our extension. So first, the once you downloaded the Chrome extension from the like store, it will automatically redirect to Gmail. And first of all, one the Gmail, when the Gmail is fully loaded, you have to like logged in our extension first. So I'm showing you guys, this is our demo extension that we have created, and this is a basic pass like default password for 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like after login, once you logged in, uh, it will ask for your Google permission. So basically, why do we need to provide Google permissions here? See, we are accessing your Gmails, we are accessing your mails that you like going to send, that you are like going to send to others mail. So we are accessing your Gmail, we are accessing your spreadsheets and drive also. So that's why we like you have to allow your permissions from Google. So once you like sign up with Google, from here you have to choose from which email ID you are going to log in. See, this is geniusmail.io. See, this screen is coming because that app we have created in like Google, that is not verified yet. So once it is verified, this screen will not come again. So see, we have to go to the like advanced and go to the geniusmail.io, which is basically called like answer right now, but later on it will be once verified from the Google, it will know it will not show it again. Okay, so what it is? It will ask for permissions like view and manage metadata of your of files in your Google Drive. So it basically wants access like your spreadsheet from your Google Drive. Okay, so that is we can manage. So we have to give this permission and see, edit, create, and delete your spreadsheet. As we are accessing your spreadsheet, we are managing it and as well as update it. So that's why you have to give this permission. See email on send email on your behalf, like we are sending on emails on users behalf, so that we have to give this permission also, and view and modify but not delete your mail. So as we are tracking someone like in which addresses you are going to send your mail, say that particular person has replied to your mail or not. So we are tracking these things also. So we are basically we are reading and modifying your mail from that like from that specific functionality. Okay, so once you allow it from here, see these all of like permissions are which you are going to give to us. view, manage metadata of files in your Google Drive, see, edit, create, and delete your spreadsheet in your Google Drive, send email on your behalf, view and modify, but not delete your mail. Okay, so once you allow it from here, see this skin will automatically like will be vanished from here. Okay, see this email is coming that from Google. The Genius Mail is accessing your you have given your permission, so Genius Mail is accessing your uh, Google Gmail account for that specific scopes only. So see, there is nothing is coming on right now. So if anything is coming or not, so once you have to like click in our extension, see our functionality will run. See these three buttons are coming, and what basically these three buttons are, this is connect to your email list. So if in your drive have any spreadsheets, then it will like fetch all the drives, all the spreadsheet from your drive, and it will like show over a drop down here. Okay, so see, you don't have any spreadsheet in your Google Drive yet. Create one now and then come back here. So first of all, you have to like create a spreadsheet. Otherwise, you can send a normal mail also. Okay, see this from if you like create compose, our button is coming, that is send mail button. Without creating a spreadsheet, you can like send mail from that without creating spreadsheet. Okay, so this all three buttons, see here is the learn more button. If you want to like know more about Genius Mail and what are the functionalities going to come, so you can check over it over here. Okay, see this is the thing, Genius Mail dot version 1 version. Okay, so first of all we are going to create one spreadsheet. Okay, so it's like the spreadsheet are contained in drive only, so that's why you have to give the drives permission, that metadata. Okay, so we're going to create one new, okay, one new Google sheet, that is spreadsheet, one blank spreadsheet we are going to create. Okay, so here we are writing our column name. These all are our column name. Okay, so I'm filling it out. Intro nil. Okay, anything. Email and his address is Hooghly. Okay, that's it. So we have created our first spreadsheet. Let's give it a name as a demo spreadsheet. Okay. Okay. So we have created our first spreadsheet. So let's see once it is come here or not. It should come here as, let's see. See, these drop downs are coming, and that demo spreadsheet you have just created for now, like we have created, that is coming here. It will fetch all the like email address from your spreadsheet, which we have given in the email column. Okay, so it's coming over here. See, that send button is we are hiding for now. We can you can easily get it. Like, okay, so let's see what are the functionalities we are providing. See this personalized field here. Like you can easily merging your mail by this personalized field. Okay, so these all are coming from the this spreadsheet which we have just created. uh, See, first name, email, gender and address all are coming. Let's give it a subject. Okay, sorry guys. A first name, this is the subject. This name which you're going to provide here. You can easily merge your mail by this field. Anything will, whatever it is taking. Once you select from here, it will copy your clipboard. Then you can just easily paste over here. See, so we are providing tracking, like you can easily track your mail by these functionalities. Okay, someone open, click and replay also. So if you have, like, if you click on this checkbox opens, so someone has opened that mail or not, you can easily like check it from here. So we are going to edit. See, you should have a link in your mail so that you can like track your click functionality. So we are going to provide a link over here. Any link we can give. So this is Google. Okay, and here is some other functionalities that is that we are providing, that is auto follow up. So you can easily give a auto follow up to your campaign, automatically within some conditions, you can say automatically the mail will be sent to this, but to that particular addresses. So let's see how you set your, like how we can set your auto follow up for that campaign. See, if you have to click this checkbox for first, if you can set up to like 8 stage auto follow up. Okay, by this, by clicking this, by this you can up to like 8 stage auto follow up. So by default, like for the first time we are providing up to 8 stage. Later on we are going to change it for infinite. Okay, so here you can like set your conditions from this drop down, and that is coming no replay, no open, no click. You can set any conditions from here. Okay, so you can set all for here also, for these three conditions, it will send mail. So once like we are choosing here no replay, if these any of this particular, from these two addresses, uh, they are going to send or mail, they are going to send reply back or not, we are tracking these things. Okay, so if they are replying, if some of them are replied that, so in that email address we are not going to send mail. Okay, so in these conditions See, 2 days, within 2 days that particular mail is has if that particular mail from that particular addresses we got replied, then we are not sending any mail to them. Okay, so these things, another where this setting this auto follow up, we can send like any message from here, whatever message you are going to send, like you want to send that for that auto follow up, you can set here. And there is an option like send custom message above original. This is if you are sending this for like for the first time, you will not get anything. Like these things is for whoever like already created a campaign over in our application already, that if that person has already created a campaign, uh, he can see that all the previously created campaign over here, this drop down, he can select like select a campaign from here and set that message for that particular auto follow up. Okay, these things, see, uh, these spreadsheets, and we are sending this mail. So we have choose a custom message, so there is no custom message here, we are sending that by defaultly. Okay, we will see that, see stage number, it should be between 2 1 and 1 like 45, 180, it should be between 1 to 180 days. We can like keep these auto follow features for the 3 months only, within 3 months for now. So you are like sent, please wait for some time, your mail is sending through Genius Mail. Till then please don't do any operations on our application. Okay, see, congratulations, you did it, your mail sent through Genius Mail. So you can see, you can check it from your like sent folder, see that mail we have sent to that particular addresses, but in a like separate way, we are separating that mail, we are sending that mail by separately, and so that each of that email addresses does like cannot know that this mail like already has sent to another addresses or not. Okay, so we're separating that. See now, like we are checking, we can check that that particular addresses has received that mail or not. See, this mail is also mine, that we have like I have just added. See, from our email, this is mail tave 2020 aryan at gmail.com. We should like get mail from this that email address. What like we have Indonesian 420 at gmail.com. See, this is the same addresses. So see, we can check. I think I have like done some mistaken over here. That's why that mail is not sending to those particular addresses. So let's do it again. I'm checking again that whether I have received mail or not. No, I haven't received any mails. I may have like I've done some mistaken. So let's send it again. Okay, this all are coming. Okay, let's like check it again that whether that mail is come or not. Should come. Let's check it in the like all mail. See, okay, here it's coming. This is from Aryan Dev, which is me actually that I have sent that mail. See, you can see that this is the subject which I have like sent. So once I like if you check your spreadsheet at that time that you have sent your mail open, there is like three columns has been created over here. See, open, click and replay. I am like I have sent mail in these to these email addresses. Okay, so once I'm opening this mail from these particular addresses, so once I like open it from here, I've opened that mail. Okay, so you can like I've opened and I'm clicking this link. Okay, so that we can like get update. Okay, I've already opened that mail. If you like now you can check it from these email addresses already. See, that mail has opened and that clicked also. Okay, so if that from that like particular mail, if that from if that particular mail is replied, if any reply, say this is reply from my side, so whatever it is, if that particular mail has received any reply, see the from these email addresses like I have replied to that mail, so it should get like update. We are checking it, we are like as you have given that permissions that email access permission. See, I have received from these email addresses, I have received that mail. As you have given that email addresses that you can I can read and like modify your email. So by this we are tracking this email. Okay, so the from we are tracking this email that from this email address I have like received a reply. So now you can check your spreadsheet that from this email address that mail has been already replied. Okay, so how can you like track it from here without like following the spreadsheet, there is a button called manual follow up. You can like check that auto follow up is there, where what you can set in the like runtime in your mail sending. And if you missed there, you can track it from in your this button, like auto follow up, manual follow up button. This is, see, here all your campaigns that you that you have created, all the campaigns are been loaded in this drop down. So this is the subject that is loaded. So if you like select a particular campaign or a particular campaign subject, so it will fetch all the things, like to which how many email addresses from to how many email addresses you have sent the mail, how many email addresses like finally and successfully the mail has been sent to that email addresses, and how many email addresses got like didn't send, or that anything, if anything is wrong in the email addresses, that mail for that particular mail address, the mail is not being sent. So that's why it will come in the uh, didn't send, opened as like you have sent in sent two people, and from them one people has opened their mail. See, we have just seen didn't open one people that didn't open your mail clicked, as I have already from one email addresses it's like clicked, so that's why it's showing one from one it's been clicked. And didn't click one people, open but didn't click zero people, because that second email addresses who has not or not yet opened that particular mail, so that open but didn't click also like zero replay. See, I have only from one email addresses we are like getting we got a replay, so it's showing only one didn't replay. We didn't replay from another email addresses. Okay, open but didn't replay. See, as I have already opened and I have already sent a replay, so that's why it's not it's coming zero over here. Okay, so Gmail API error, if some we are like what API we are calling from the backend, if any error is coming, so from any cases by chance, like for the internet purpose or anything, if any error if any error come, it will for that email addresses it will show error over here. Okay, so once you if you how can you create your manual follow-up? See, once you select any conditions, if you if that particular mail opened, so you can once you click on a compose follow-up, you can see that which from which mail email addresses opened that mail. You can select those email addresses only. And here from here you also get all those facilities which what you are getting what you got in that normal mail sending. Okay, so from that you can create another campaign, you can send mail, you can send multiple mail data from the from your spreadsheets. Okay, so that's all. That's all our functionality we are providing, like spreadsheets, email marketing facilities basically. So from that selected spreadsheet, we can send bulk mail, mail margin systems are there, track your email. Okay, so this all auto follow up section, you can generate auto follow up also. These all are functionalities we are providing. So that's all. You can check from this learn more sections. Okay, so if you want to know more about this Genius Mail, you can go and check it from here. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you.